Only in Jamaica you see them thing. Man lie down on the blood clot car back. A blood clot hold on apply. You see it? Skill of Jamaica, you fuck. Call me Superman out here.
Mama cry.
We have the pulley balls.
Try. Just when you have a man from the backside, you come and pull your balls back here. You make your cock spoke burst and get long and
Show you. You see boom?
Yeah.
Boom a Jamaican product. Look on it.
Yeah.
Look on the side. Look.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Boom. You see if you drink one of this and you have a girl that fuck, you can't stop fucking and you're hard to go. And you see if you say you work, I just work. Employment.
licking your mouth now.
You see, I like how you know come and be me see, yeah?
You don't know me. You don't know me.
We know me
The
right
last
back.
time you got candlelight at Barnett Bush, you reach through my
You know,
foot
I can't go
and
more
go
time.
long hill.
We find my
And somebody see you out of book and
Glenn
shut up.
really to Glenn and give some blood clot going shot now, bomb buck clot.
You know Glenn
someone like
Never.
a man man.
You know Glenn Never.
But I them people don't come from in a flee. My aunt and for
See all the teeth them are Sunday.
I'm uncle come from there and him slap up.
Upon them teeth them man.
Well, look at my teeth. Them come fear them look like they come like a thing soon trap out to blood clot. Everybody them make them go ting. And so Michigan City. Teeth IDs and
See man a video there. TikTok.
whenever you tell me from.
You're viral. Bumbo.
It's one of the thief things, brother. You need to tell me. Pussy, shut them out. I'm a chat, man. It's one of the thief things. I call them your phone. You need to tell me where you get that. Me say, that means I can't know what to say. To if anybody see me with a phone, I can't say, yo, I don't know that phone there. That's where I get it from.
Right, as you do know.
Bird telephone a thief.
Don't talk about. If you talk about care, if you talk about care.
So hold on, like, hold on, man.
In the sleep, and take it up.
So you go in a bird house and he don't know.
Right, in the sleep, the school is I don't want a phone if you have me on the phone, I'm going to if you have your whole get like look at man. I thought deep up here. I don't need nobody to do it. I tell you what, I don't want to further with you.
So how you know say must sleep?
I said, I don't want to further with you.
Put them pocket.
Don't want to further with you. I'm big man, if I want to get police and back to my just tell you, stick me
You understand? You understand? That hurt my father. At 200 meg if it.
Yeah,
alright. You do some fucker dog, but you need to stop.
yes.
Right? You cannot go in a people place and a thief. People things and I sell people things for look like nothing. Imagine last night to go in a Bertel bomb buckler. You go thief in a man's house.
I'm not going to my house.
So how you get the phone? Police are come for this man and dog and me tell him if nobody come for you. You tell me say you watch the man till the man go sleep and you go thief the man phone. I can't come give me and sell me.
I need to stop this. If I stop this, what happen?
If I stop this, you're going to stop get lick and you are going to get money.
So which one can't stop me?
Oh, so that means you're not planning to stop?
Yeah, so which one can't stop me? I want to stop me, not plan to stop yourself. Can't lick me.
So what about
Not stop yourself, can't lick me.
the door?
I want to never lick around thief.
Oh, so I ask that question. So you know if you say me can't stop you?
I can bust the blood clot face any blood clot time.
My face.
Any fucking time.
You can bust my face.
Any fucking time. You are the police or anyone else. Bust up anyone else's face any fucking time.
Okay, so you be saying you don't plan to stop then. Alright, here what I go now. You're in my car. In my car, I tell me say you can't do one with me anytime. You know some drive with the blood clot right now and carry them on the bush. Right bumbo clot now. You know that?
Up in the door and come out there.
Eh?
Up in the door and come out. No.
Listen to me, I go talk now. When I done, I give you $1,000. Do it. A coke card your thief, right? If you buy coke.
No. I take the money and give it to man. And if man want to call the coke that I fit them blood clot business, I rehab me go. See? Me not a fighter. Me not a survivor. See?
Yeah, spit for me. Just talk and not spit in my bumbo clot.
Me not a fighter and me not a survivor. When somebody got something to give me, they give me when they can give me. Next time or this time. So I don't you be talking, chatting over this. If police come and lock up, if I lock up, more and lock down. You get me now?
Oh, so them if I the point.
Yeah.
So you now stop teeth, this one chop off on your hand.
The hand they step off long blood clot time. A new hand now. A springtime. A March, now March now.
Oh.
Now March without blood clot hand. And now March without blood clot teeth.
Oh.
So tell me what you want. You want to talk to me? Every blood clot, the police want to talk to me. And when they want to talk to me, they don't talk to me and talk to somebody else. When they ask them, they give them something, they don't have it. Right?
So you see Bertel this morning?
I don't see him, but I feel it. I don't feel him around.
Oh. I look for you along my shit.
Okay. And you know, in a sense, because my stuff, on that stuff, make man teeth blood clot things for them.
Blood clot speak for me.
On that stuff, make man come in the house and teeth blood clot things, and you don't blood clot. No. On that stuff, do that.
You're right.
Right.
You're right. Because you eat in a bed, lay down, and you go right now and go eat the food that he don't know. So it's a stuff him if you You're fucking right. Well, me a reason with you as my general. Stop it.
Right, sir. I will stop, sir.
If you don't stop it, then I'm going to analyze it.
Right, and I stop, sir.
You stop?
Stop, yeah. Yes, I stop.
Say a prayer for me. Pray for yourself.
Almighty God, this young man find out that we are doing wrongs. Because the man who I'm thieving,
Check the blood clot eye.
the man who I'm thieving from is a scruff. And Almighty God, you say man must open their mind and put their mind to use, because no man knows what God thinketh and where God come from. No man want to be there unless it's a prayer. Because God said the only thing that you must ask him for is a prayer, because a prayer a day with the chapter and the tracks, we can keep the devil away and keep the devil from doing harm and doing wrong to himself. God, I admit that I am doing wrong, but the wrong that I am doing, it's a personal feelings, and it's not only me who is sick, but other people take the blame and put it where you or I can find it, and where we can take it from. But if you don't take it from the top, God, it's going to stay right there until everyone can spoil the top and don't have a future for today, not tomorrow. Because God said, I must suffer even the children to come unto the understanding of the deed of the dog who got yoke and vomit up and don't remember that he must take something and cover it. Because if you don't cover it, it's going to be before him forever and ever. So God, while we stand here this morning in your presence, take all the glory and honor to yourself, and keep it to yourself, God, and keep a closed door and keep your eye open, that if the door shall depart from us, God, and we shall not find our peace and our justice, our soul can stay here and perish in everlasting burning fire.
That's our prayer.
Yeah.